Claire ran a small cafe in a Colorado mountain town. One snowy evening, a terrible blizzard swept through, leaving travelers stranded. Her cafe became a refuge as she opened her doors, offering soup, coffee, and warmth to everyone who came in. The storm raged for 2 days, and Claire gave away everything she had. When the storm cleared, the travelers thanked her and promised to return. Claire didn't think much of it. She had only done what felt right. Months later, on a quiet day, a convoy of cars arrived. It was the same travelers bringing food, supplies, and donations. "You didn't let us freeze. Now we won't let you fail," they said. Claire's cafe became a beloved landmark, not just for its food, but for the kindness that inspired an entire community.